HP Pavilion 15.6 HD 2019 newest thin and light laptop notebook computer. Review deal discount unboxing setup. This is a fine computer. I purchased it thinking it had Windows 10 Professional, only to learn that it has Windows 10 in S mode. For that reason, it had to be returned. If you don't need Windows Professional, then it's a fine computer. Very lightweight. Had to download updates immediately. Extremely lightweight, works great, has all the options I need for a home personal laptop. Easy setup. Appears to be a great purchase for the price. Using this for my college classes, so far so good, lightweight, big screen, nice color. I got what I asked for and it arrived at the time it was promised. The kit included everything I needed to get the laptop up and running. I particularly liked the HDMI cable that was included, as I also have an external monitor that I use with my laptop. This is day 2 with the new laptop and everything is good. This computer is a good deal for the price. The computer comes in S mode that has to be removed in order to download my internet security program. That was really annoying. Screen is smaller than I expected. Intel dual-core AMD A6-9225 2.6 GHz base frequency, burst frequency up to 3.0 GHz, with DVD drive, no touchscreen, AMD Radeon R4. 1 TB HDD hard drive provides massive storage space for huge files, so that you can store important digital data and work your way through it with ease. It gives you enormous space to save all of your files. Enhance the overall performance of the laptop for business, student, daily usage. 15.6-inch display, bright view glossy screen, maintains the vivid colors in your photos and videos. Typical 1366 by 768 HD resolution. LED backlight. RAM is upgraded to 8 GB memory for multitasking, adequate high bandwidth RAM to smoothly run multiple applications and browser tabs all at once. Webcam, 802.11b/g/n, Bluetooth DVD-RW, 2x USB 3.0 Type A, 1x USB 2.0, 1x HDMI, 1x RJ45, 1x headphone, microphone combo. Windows 10 64-bit OS, provide a familiar and productive experience, while delivering enterprise-grade flexibility and security. Special discounts on product. Get the discount link in the description box.